What it do, YouTube? Big boy RT back in the cut with another video, man. Bright as ever out here. Y'all stay tuned for this full video, man. Finna get them new brakes installed on this joint, man. Y'all already know. Big boy RT. Yes, sir. So this is the new brakes we went with, man. That ceramic for I won't be having all that brake dust build up. But I'm finna take it to my boy Ray over at GTO. Finna install these joints. I'ma show y'all a better picture once I I'm gonna show y'all a better picture once I get to the shop and show y'all and bust this box out, but it's a little quick glance. These are 13.6 inches, I believe. It's bigger than the 12. Hopefully this bad boy is decent. That thing is definitely huge as hell. So we shall see. Y'all stay tuned with me. I'm heading to the shop right now to get these installed. Because I've been hearing like hella clunking. Damn. I've been hearing like hella clunking. So I'm trying to get this fixed. Then hopefully I'll be able to go slide this, make a video. So y'all stay tuned for this full video, man. Hopefully by the end of this video, y'all see some clips of me sliding this RT thing. But I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with the channel. I'm recording off my iPhone right now, so if it look weird, that's why. But I appreciate everybody rocking with the channel. Y'all the real ones for sure. Everybody turning up the channel. We just hit 350 subscribers. Roll to 500. We hitting that real soon. But like I said, I appreciate everybody that's been rocking, and pick up the camera once I get to the shop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And we finna paint the calipers red, so man, y'all stay tuned for that. We finna be popping. Yes, sir. Also, if y'all in the what suburb area, Bentonville area, make sure y'all tap in with my boys at GTO. They got shops all over the place, so definitely just look them up on Google Maps and you'll be able to figure out where's the most local, nearest one to you. But man, he gonna be geeked. Next, we're gonna have to get these back rotors and brake pads soon, probably like in another month or so. I just got the fronts because obviously it's cheaper, balling on a little budget right now, so. Got these mismatched tires on here right now. Got these Pirellis, these little burners I got yesterday from the tire shop. I burnt the first pair that I got. Yeah, I burnt the first pair up since I got my differential and everything. So I'm gonna be going through it with the bag, buying tires. But man, I'm just trying to slide. You feel me? But man, I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get back into the brake install, start going crazy and shit. Man, y'all stay tuned. Yes, sir. Oh, and what I said, these also are the bigger brakes, so bigger rotors. So I don't know if that's just gonna make a difference or not. Also, my guy told me that the drill slided rotors definitely do make a difference. So I'm trying to see. Never had these kind on my car before, so definitely trying to see. But man, y'all stay tuned. Big boy RT. Yes, sir. That bitch looks sexy as hell. I'll see. I'll see the new babies in there. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to order the rears for sure. That thing look crispy. I told y'all I got these. I don't know what brand this is, but it's on a American Muscle. It's like the whole set ran me like $220 with shipping and everything. So it's pretty decent. These ceramic joints. I'm really trying to see if these hoes really actually work for real. But that rotor look decent as hell. So bad. Gonna have to see how the braking is for sure. That shit look wrong. But I'm gonna pick up the camera. camera once they get the rest of this done and everything. What y'all say, Stim? Check it, Shireen. Yes, sir. Popping. Slight. It don't match. I don't think it matched my interior completely. But that's gonna be slight, especially when I get some new wheels. I didn't even pay that much. I paid like $40 extra to get this done, so like, I don't think it's like no crazy job, but like it's definitely that's decent as hell. If it starts to come on, I'm gonna probably just come back honestly and just get it done again. But man, yes sir, one done. I'm gonna show y'all the rest when I get all 4 wheels back on and everything, and y'all see how that thing looks.
Rocks up on my chain, girl, my diamonds look like piss. Told them I've been touching bags, how the fuck you looking sick? Say there's ways to get this money, baby, I just gotta think. And my jeweler think I'm crazy, it's a 30 on the link. If you down for L, then we will never fall out about no bitch. I was young, I got a check, I blew advances on some kicks. Ain't it funny once you get a sec, they out here tryna blitz. It's a rock star lifestyle, Menage's at the Ritz. Yeah, I'm on the guest list, check that bitch twice for sure. I be getting them for free, but I be paying for your hoe. She don't want a broke mother, she want someone with the rope.